Hey everyone, how's it going? Long time no see, and by long time I mean since yesterday. So I realized that I didn't get any footage from yesterday to put up today, and it was quite a long day, and that was probably why. So I'm just going to make this one take, and we can have a little chit-chat. I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I don't know, maybe I can talk about what I all did yesterday. That'd be fine, I guess. Let's see, what all happened yesterday. I worked till really, really late, till like 10:30. But it was like super, super fun because the fire alarms went off twice while I was there. By fun, I mean annoying. Very annoying. That's all I can really say about that, I guess. I guess, why is someone walking in the middle of the road? That's not annoying at all. Hi, you're in my turning lane. Oh, and you guys fell over. That was my opportunity to turn, and it's probably going to be a while before I get another one, because this is a busy highway. So thank you, dude, for wasting my time. Anyway, the security people were having us run around looking for like a numbered door, and then once we found that numbered door, we had to find the sensor number for the air duct that was supposedly on fire. That was in our employee locker room. No, my stuff did not burn. Thank the Lord. I wouldn't have been very happy. But it was so funny because the entire time they thought they had found it, they saw this flashing red light on the ceiling, and I'm like, no, I'm pretty sure that's the motion sensor for the lights in here. Oh, no, it must be flashing red. Or it's flashing red, that must mean it's fire. No, it's flashing red because they're moving. And it's a motion sensor. Well, they were so confident they were right. After the fire department got there, I guess who was right? This guy. That's not it. The actual light for the sensor was up above the ceiling tiles. That's probably all I'm going to say about that. It was a long process. Running around looking for fire alarms and invisible fire at my place of employment. It's an anonymous, unspoken location. But yeah, that was basically my day yesterday. Just a lot of annoying little things. Like I said, that happened twice. Only once on my floor, though. The other time I really didn't care. Except for the fact that you can't ride the elevators. Actually, whatever is supposed to shut the elevators off didn't work yesterday, so they kept working. Which is fine. They might as well when the alarms are going to keep going off for no reason. It happens a lot. Anyway, I thought that was all I had to say about that, so we're going to make that it, actually. I'm going to end this vlog here, probably, before I rant on about nonsense. And, I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me know what type of things annoy you. Fire alarms? Yeah, me too. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Okay, bye.